Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so let's make an orange pom-pom today. Take the yarn and wrap it around the fingers. Then do the circles on your fingers over and over. Make sure not to do it too tight and keep it little loose, over and over again. And once you are done, cut this yarn. Take off from your fingers and put it down. Take the extra yarn, keep the extra yarn underneath it. Then make the first knot to tighten it. And then make sure to tighten it. And hold on to it while making another extra 2 knots. Alright, and then cut this yarn off. And then you see that this is the middle here. And then cut this yarn off from the both sides. And the same thing on this side as well. As this is the middle here. I still have some that didn't cut, so cut those as well. And then you can shape it accordingly. Just cut it. The leftover yarn, you can use it for stuffing as well, so that it won't go to waste. That's it, how we have made a pom-pom.